Dear future Narayan, dear future Nars, you'll be thanking me, your 25-year-old self, for studying hard so that you will be happy. 4 months na lang, graduate na tayo. Let's go. Tsaka ang pogi ng 25 years old self. Wala pang toothbrush yan. To be this young again. Sana magkita tayo in the future, no? Future self. Nag-i-play tsura ako. Sana may time traveling na time machine. Or paano mo ginawa yun. Basta bisitahin mo ako. And I know you'll be a great person. Better than me. Pero hindi ka magiging better kung hindi ko gagawin yung sacrifice ngayon. So, thank you ka. Dahil ako ikaw. See you.